In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, scroll down, find and click on biometrics and security, and then go to install unknown apps right here. And now just pick the option, the app that you would like to give this permission to. So it's going to be, for example, Gmail. Then tap on this icon, and as you can see, from now on you will be able to install apps through this source, and you can do it for whichever source you would like to give this permission to. Just click on allow from this source, and that's it. So basically that would be all. That's how you can install unknown apps in your Samsung Galaxy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.